Hello, welcome to the Agile Samurai Bootcamp. I'm your host, Jonathan Rasmussen. Agile planning, dealing with reality. Get used to it, pretty boy. Murphy's Law takes no prisoners when it comes to disrupting your best laid plans. And if you don't have a strategy for dealing with change, your project is going to eat you alive. In this section, we're going to learn how to create plans you can believe in and commitments you can follow through with you and your team. By learning how to plan projects the Agile way, you'll sleep easier knowing that your plans are always up to date, you've set expectations openly and honestly, and change isn't something to be feared, but instead something to be used as a competitive advantage. The problems with static plans. Has this ever happened to you? Your project starts off beautifully. You've got a perfect team, the right technology, the perfect plan. And for the first few weeks of your project, life couldn't be better. Then out of nowhere, bam, your team changes. Your lead developer gets poached to another project of greater strategic importance. Okay, you've got time. You think we can handle this. Then all of a sudden, kapow! You realize you aren't going as fast as you thought. What you thought your team can do and what they can actually do were two completely different things. Then just about halfway through the project, whammo! You realize your customer actually only now has discovered what they really want. That simple, easy-to-build web app suddenly looks a lot more daunting and complex. What looked like a slam dunk now looks virtually impossible with the remaining time and resources you've got. And then the real bomb goes off. Boom! You run out of time. It turns out business needs our application sooner rather than later. And in a rush to meet the new deadline, testing gets cut, the team is asked to cancel their vacations, and when it finally comes time to go live, it is of such poor quality that no one can use it. It becomes another late, over-budget, failed IT project. Now, if this story hits close to home, take comfort. You're not alone. Changing teams, reduced schedules, and ever-shifting requirements are the norm for any interesting software project. To deal with these realities, we need a way of planning that does the following. Delivers great value to our customers, is highly visible, open, and honest, lets us make promises we can keep, and enables us to adapt and change the plan when necessary. With this context of having to deal with change, let's now take a look at the Agile plan.